Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to backup your iPhone on a Mac. Let's have a look. First, on your Mac PC, open Finder app. Connect your iPhone to your Mac using a USB cable. On your iPhone, you need to tap Trust to trust this computer. In the Finder sidebar on your Mac, select your iPhone. At the top of the Finder window, click General. Here under Backups, you will see several options. Click on the radio button, backup all data on your iPhone to this Mac. If you want to protect your backup data and add password protection, choose Encrypt Local Backup. Click Backup Now. This will start backing up your iPhone. Your iPhone will now save your information to your Mac. It will take some time to back up your all data. When backup done, you will see time beside last backup on this Mac. Also, you can click Manage Backup. Here you will see your iPhone backup date and time. So these are the steps to back up your iPhone on a Mac PC. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.